and welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to start SoFi. In order to run SoFi properly, you need three things. First of all, you need the SoFi procedure file and the SoFi license key. Then you need the ME2 solver together with the ME2 license key, and you will need either Igor 8 or Igor 9. For the SoFi files and the ME2 solver, you can go to our website, and under downloads, you find on top the SoFi files. So we have SoFi 9, which runs in Igor 9, and we have SoFi 8 that runs in Igor 8. The SoFi license key you will get when purchasing SoFi Pro or SoFi Realtime from us. Then a bit further down, you find the ME2 engine. This is a zip folder that you can download. And as I mentioned before, you will also need an ME2 license key, and this one you can also get from us directly. The license files for the ME2 engine and for SoFi Pro or Realtime you can get by either contacting us directly or go through the store here. As I mentioned before, you will also need Igor 8 or Igor 9. This you can get from Wavemetrics on their website. Let's set up everything. First of all, you want to install Igor. I already did that, so let's open up Igor. And then you want to make sure that you have the HDF5 browser installed. With Igor 9, the HDF5 browser is pre-installed, while with Igor 8, you have to do it yourself. You can find the details in our manual and most likely in an upcoming YouTube video. To quickly check whether you have the HDF5 browser installed or not, you can go here to Data, Load Waves, and when you see here the new HDF5 browser, you know that you have the HDF5 browser installed properly. In the next step, you want to make sure that you have the ME2 engine installed on your computer. You need the ME2 engine to do the PMF calculations. As I mentioned before, you can download the ME2 engine as a zip folder from our website. Please unzip this folder, and we recommend to place it in your system C drive. When you do so, please make sure that you have full writing rights in your folder that you place the ME2 engine into. The ME2 engine itself comprises of 4 different folders and 4 different files. Let's start SoFi then. The easiest way to launch SoFi is to just drag and drop the procedure files into an empty Igor experiment. The first procedure file here is your SoFi license key. Please note that you should not change the name of this file, as SoFi is specifically looking for a procedure file with this exact name. The second file here is the newest SoFi version. You can always find the newest SoFi version on our website. To not miss when we publish a new version, you can sign up for our mailing list or follow us on Twitter. You can find both links down below in the description. Now let me just select the 2 files and drag and drop them into my Igor experiment. What you can see now is here the 2 encrypted procedure files, and all you need to do now is to click here on compile. Now that Igor compiled the files, you can see up here in the menu bar a new tab for SoFi. Click on it and then click on Initialize SoFi. Igor asks you whether you want to launch the software, so you click yes. And in the next step, a small window here will pop up whether you're asked to read and agree to the terms and conditions. Clicking on the link here will download you the PDF with the terms and conditions, and once you read and agree to them, you can check this box here and then click on the button here, and now you successfully launched SoFi. Thank you for watching this short tutorial on how to start SoFi. If you enjoyed it or learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe, and see you for the next tutorial.